Hello again. I wanted to just update the channel, and as you can see in the background, I have a petticoat. There's actually two on there. The further away I get from the camera, the more blurry I become. It's just a webcam from Logitech, so it's not anything that special, but it works for my needs at this moment. So if the quality looks even more poor once it gets uploaded on YouTube, I want to apologize in advance. So I recreated the original template that I made for Rose. So I have it here. It's just sitting on like a little water bottle. I originally made this to be like my 1/10 scale model. So the front, where's the front? This is the front. So here we have the 4 layers. Here's the top layer that will be in the white, this next layer that will be in the light pink, and then the regular pink, and then like it's called Dusty Rose pink. And what I'm going to do is cut each layer out based on like the circle skirt sizes. And because the fabric is so large and the width that I purchased is not, the width that I purchased is not long enough for like these bottom layers. I'm just going to do the best I can with making it a circle skirt, but I'm going to make them into quarters. So I'll make all my quarters, and then once the quarters are made, I'll go back and I'll add the shape to them. Or maybe I'll just add the shape at once and then it's done. But I thought it'd be nice to do just circles first, and then based on how the fabric lays over the petticoat, then I can go back over with the muslin that I made that's full scale and make it look like this. And I also have a separate muslin piece underneath it that all of the layers are going to be attached to. So I don't think I'll actually have, except for this top layer, I don't think I'm going to need to make the keep the full length of it. So like these bottom layers, I'll probably keep some just to attach it to the muslin underneath it. And definitely for this one, because it's not, this bottom layer here, because it's not tall enough to reach to the waist. So yeah, I thought this was a pretty neat idea. If I can find the YouTuber that I saw many years ago making a scale model for a skirt that she was creating, I believe it was like for pleats, and she wanted to make sure she purchased enough fabric, I'll definitely link her video down below. Okay, so I tried looking for the video and I couldn't find it. If I do wind up finding it at any point in the future, because I'm going to try looking for it again, I will definitely leave it in the comments. Not in the comments, I'm sorry. If I do find the video, I will definitely link it in the description box below. But for now, if you know who I'm talking about, please mention it in the comments section down below so I can definitely link to her. It was just so helpful, and I would have never thought to do something like that, and I really appreciated it when I was trying to learn how to make pleats. So onward with the video. Oh, and I just thought it was great because this is something that I've never done before, and I didn't realize how overwhelming it was going to be. This is a lot of fabric, and I've gone through 3 different versions of it that I've cut and sewn together, and I haven't even started on the bodice yet. So I figure worst case scenario, I might just phone it in and buy a Mr. Universe t-shirt, which wouldn't look bad either. But I'm definitely going to try and create the bodice. I bought like a really cheap, it's not really a corset, but it has like plastic boning and it doesn't fit right, and the cup size is very small. So we'll see if I can make it work, but I'm not gonna hold my breath, and I really just want to focus on layers of the skirt first, because that, in my opinion, is going to create a better impression than whether or not I can make princess seams or darts on a sweetheart neckline, sleeveless top, strapless, whatever.
So rather than make you sit and watch through the whole video where I tried to cut and paste different little clips of me creating the circle skirts on the different layers of fabric, I'm just going to summarize it. And at the point of creating this voiceover, I have completed this Dusty Rose layer. I've completed the it's called Candy Pink, and the light pink layer in terms of putting together the quarters and hemming them and creating the shapes for each layer. In the middle of me creating the white layer, which is the top layer, the sewing machine decided to give up a little bit, and it made me really sad. So I need to hand sew and hem the rest of it, which is a bummer, but I guess this is what it is right now, and I have to be okay with that. The next video should have me at least in the dress. I don't think I'm going to create the sweetheart top. I just don't have enough time to try and create that and make sure it fits right and put it together. So definitely another day when I'm feeling more up to it. But for right now, I think this will be fine. I bought the Mr. Universe shirt. I'm gonna wear it on top, and at least I'll have the skirt. And yeah, that'll be good. So thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below.